up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, or hello if you are new here. Today we're going to be making over my coffee bar into a cocoa bar. This is just what it looks like after I took down all of the fall decorations. So it is pretty plain, but we are about to spruce it up. So first I'm going to start off with the 3-tier tray, which is my favorite to decorate, and then we'll move on to the next thing.
All the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a
Some of these items that I'm using to decorate the 3-tier tray are leftover from last year, and some of the items are new this year. So a lot of the trees that you're seeing, those are from Target last year, but they do have similar ones this year. The Christmas sign is from Marshall's, as well as the Fill Your Cup with Love and the tree above that. Those are all from Marshall's. The garland is from the At Home store last year. The metal tray is from Hobby Lobby last year. And then these are just some Dollar Tree candy canes that I purchased this year. And then this is a salt and pepper shaker, truck, and tree. Just a tip to elevate some of your items should they be too low in your tray is to take your empty K-cups, rinse them out and flip them over, make sure that they're dry, and you can elevate a lot of your items in your tray that way so that they're easier seen.
dance all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling, or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
These mugs are from Target and they were $4.99 each. And then the plant that I put in the upper right hand corner by the J, that was also $5 from Target this year as well.
We'll be sharing our secrets, making dreams come true. Let's have a toast for the lovers. We'll tumble round in the snow, and my heart's going boom, boom, boom. You're so beautiful. What a night. Can you feel it too? Girl, I won't let you go. When the sky comes alive, let's have a jolly holiday.
These little candy cane coffee packets were 99 cents at my local grocery store. A lot of grocery stores will carry seasonal items, so definitely check around your grocery store for that. And then the large bottle of sprinkles at the top, those are from Marshall's as well. Here we're just gonna make chocolate coated spoons for stirring the hot chocolate. So I have plastic spoons, white chocolate, mini chocolate chips, I have red and green nerds, and I have crushed candy cane, which could be crushed peppermint as well. I'm just dipping my spoon in the almond bark that's melted, and then I'm just going to sprinkle the candy on it, set it on some parchment paper and let it dry, or you can set it in the freezer as well. It only takes about 30 minutes to an hour to fully harden, but if you want to leave it in there longer, that's completely fine.
Talking on the phone, I'll make you feel at home. Oh, when I got you by my side, what a night. Oh, girl, I won't let you go.
So charcuterie boards are super in this year, so I figured that I would make one, and I hope that I said that right because I'm positive I butchered it. But we're gonna start out with these Christmas tree cupcakes, and then we are gonna throw in some of the peppermint bark Ghirardelli squares, and these are delicious, and you can even melt them in the hot chocolate if you prefer to eat them that way. These are so fun. These are the Russell Stover melt-away Santas, and this is what they look like in the bag. But if you put these in the hot chocolate, they will melt pretty quickly. I'm just putting those in a leftover cup that I had from Thanksgiving to give the tray a little bit of elevation, and then also to keep everything looking more organized. These are the cookie straws. I guess they're not really straws, they're just cookie sticks, but my kids love them. And then these are the hot cocoa Hershey's Kisses, which are delicious. They are chocolate filled with marshmallow. And then the next item that we're going to put in there is some mini marshmallows. If you prefer to do the hot cocoa marshmallows, I've noticed that Target sells those in the hot cocoa section. I have a hard time finding them anywhere else, but I don't really branch out of my local grocery store, so that's probably why. These are gingerbread cookies. They're not my favorite, but they're pretty good. And then next I am putting out the peppermint bark chocolate coated cookies as well from the same brand that the gingerbread cookies were. And these are actually pretty good, I think. And then after I put those out, I am moving on to the next item here in just a second, which is the Christmas holiday Oreos with the red filling. I'm just putting out a few of those, and then big marshmallows. And the fun thing about those marshmallows is they are chocolate filled, so when they melt, chocolate comes out of the middle of them. And then those were just some hot cocoa candy canes from Dollar Tree. And then I got these jars from the Dollar General for $1, and I'm going to put some red and green straws in them. And then in the other one, I am putting mini chocolate chips. Those I did put a lid on so that they can stay out. And then here's our chocolate spoons, and I'm just going to scatter them all over the board. And I believe that completes our board. Since we're going to go ahead and have our hot cocoa, I'm going to put out our whipped cream. The first one is from Target, and this is the peppermint whipped cream. It's also delicious in coffee with the peppermint creamer. And then I'm also going to set out the regular whipped cream for those that don't like the peppermint. It's my children, so they love both of them, but I wanted to give them an option. And I'm just going to go ahead and make the hot cocoa with the toppings that I enjoy. And that completes this video. I hope that you all enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a great holiday season. Bye.